Hello, hello. Welcome to Ellie English Hub, your warm and friendly place to learn real English. One conversation at a time. I'm Ellie.
And I'm Leo. Hey everyone, so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is one of the most important things in English. Maybe the very first thing you ever learn.
Yes, we're talking about how to introduce yourself, how to say your name, where you're from, and how to say nice to meet you, naturally like a real person.
Because honestly, Leo, do you remember the first time someone asked you, "What's your name?" in English?
Oh yes, I was so nervous. My brain just stopped. I think I said my name 3 times. Not my best moment.
That happens to everyone. And that is exactly why this episode exists. After today, you will know exactly what to say. Okay, let's start. Oh, and if you're new here, welcome. We always speak slowly and clearly because your comfort is important to us. We want you to relax, listen, and feel good about your English.
And if you already know us, hi again friends. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
Okay, Leo, let's do something fun. Let's pretend we are meeting for the very first time. Like, we don't know each other at all.
Oh, I like this. Okay, clears throat. Hi, my name is Leo. What's your name?
Hi, Leo. My name is Ellie. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. You say this when you meet someone for the first time. It means, I am happy to meet you. It is very friendly and polite.
Nice to meet you too, Ellie. So, where are you from? Where are you from? This question asks about your country or city. Very common when you meet someone new.
I'm from Ukraine. And you, Leo, where are you from?
I'm from Spain. Nice and sunny. And Ellie, what do you do? Are you a student or do you work?
I'm an English teacher. I love teaching. And you?
I work in IT. A lot of computers, a lot of coffee.
Laughs.
Perfect. Okay, so, listeners, did you hear all of those phrases? Let's go through them slowly, one by one.
Phrase number 1. My name is... You just say your name after it. My name is Leo. Simple, right?
You can also say, I'm Ellie. Same meaning, a little more casual. Both are perfect.
Phrase 2. Where are you from? I'm from. And then your country. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan. I'm from Poland.
And phrase 3. The most beautiful phrase in English introductions. Nice to meet you. Say it with a smile. It makes everything warmer.
And the other person answers, nice to meet you too. Don't forget the "to" at the end.
Now, your turn. Pause this video right now. Say out loud, hi, my name is... I'm from... Nice to meet you. Just say it. Don't worry about being perfect.
Do it. We'll wait.
Amazing. You just introduced yourself in English. That is huge. You should be proud of yourself. Okay, let's do our word tour. I say a phrase, Leo gives an example. And you repeat after us. Ready?
Always ready. Let's go.
My name is... Leo.
My name is Leo. I use this when I meet someone new at work, at school, anywhere.
Nice to meet you. Leo.
Nice to meet you. I say this every time I meet a new colleague or a new friend.
Where are you from? Leo.
Where are you from? I love asking this question. Every person has a different, interesting answer.
Now, go to the comments, write your introduction, write, hi, my name is Name, I'm from country. Nice to meet you. We read every comment. We love to meet you.
So, today you learned how to say your name, where you're from, and how to say nice to meet you in English. 3 phrases. That's it. But they are 3 very powerful phrases.
Remember, every big journey starts with one small step. And today, your step was introducing yourself. I'm so proud of you for being here.
If you liked this episode, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is also learning English. You help us reach more learners just like you.
This is Ellie.
And this is Leo.
And you've been listening to Ellie English Hub. See you next time.